Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to a new video. This is a video about Maurice and his travels and his adventures. Okay, so a video on changing the rear brake hoses on a Volkswagen Golf 2005. This is Maurice. So I have the new brake hoses here. For this job you will need a torque wrench or a breaker bar with a 17mm socket for the wheel nuts to take the wheel off, and a 17mm spanner which goes on the brake hose end, and then you will need an 11mm spanner for the brake pipe end, as you can see there. Okay, so the process is to undo this one whilst holding this one, and once that's loose, then there's a retaining clip here which needs to be pulled out, and then the same applies on the other side, and then refit the new brake hose. This one, as you can see, is all perished, so this was an advisory on the MOT last year, so we are going to do that now, and I'll try and time lapse it for you and I'll get back to you. Okay, so the new brake hose is fitted. There you go. Had a bit of an issue with this pipe here, it ruptured, so I went to my local motor factors and they gave me a new one. They made it for me, which was very nice. I think it is, on these cars, a generic part that you can get from Volkswagen, and they make them. So a funny shaped bendy pipe, but yeah, it's brand new brake hose there. And like I said previously, I did the new discs and new pads on the rear. When you do the new pads and discs on these, you need a caliper wind back tool, because the handbrake there operates the caliper for the handbrake, and then it's also hydraulic for the foot brake. So what happens is it winds out. It winds out when you operate the handbrake. Over time it's self-adjusting, and then when you come to change the brake pad, you need a specialist caliper wind back tool, which I have. So fortunately I've had that for many years. Only about £20 to buy, so they're not expensive. All in all, so I did the front brake pads, I did the rear brake pads and the rear discs. In total that cost me £66, and a few hours of my time. So it's very inexpensive to do. If you would like step-by-step guides on how to change your own brakes, and how to check that you've done it correctly, and you know, like a replacement brake tutorial, then please leave a comment below, and we're sure to do one for you. It's another video from Maurice. So today is the day that some of you might remember this blue bungee cord. The blue bungee cord, which has been on Maurice ever since he broke down. He let Audit Ed down, and Audit Ed had to give him a quick fix at the side of the road with a bungee cord. The bungee cord can finally go. The diesel cooler that was hanging down, some of you may remember a video that Ed did, and the oil cooler was on the floor. It was a big catastrophe. Now it's all back in place, all secured up, and Maurice is going for an MOT next Thursday on the 24th of March, and we will let you know what happens. He should pass. He's had new brakes, he's had new tyres. I've been looking after him, and he should be back on the road. Go on, Maurice. Today's the day that Maurice goes in for an MOT. He's going in for his yearly MOT. He's had new tyres, new brakes, new brake hoses, a nice oil change, and a fresh service. So this is where he's living now, and this is the view that he's got. Maurice is loving it by the coast. He said he's always wanted to be by the coast. He is absolutely loving it. Bright sunshine, and yeah, he's going in for an MOT. So I'll catch up with you and let you know how he gets on. And this is the other side. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Maurice has 7 beaches on his doorstep within driving distance. Well, it's walking distance, but Maurice can't walk because he's got wheels instead of feet. So he drives, or he gets driven, but he is absolutely loving it. So, Maurice has passed the MOT. He's only got 1 advisory, which is a little pinhole in the CV boot. So, he's got a year's MOT. He will be going up for sale very, very soon. So, if you are interested in purchasing him, then please do give me a call. If you leave a comment in the comment section below. Looking fresh as a daisy, and he's back looking out to sea on the other side. He is absolutely loving it. It's clean and tidy. The MOT tester said he's very, very clean underneath, which he is. He's nice and tidy.